Can we bake cookies? Understanding requests and permissions in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a phrase that seems simple but is packed with meaning. Can we bake cookies? This question is not just about cookies. It's a great example of how English speakers ask for permission or suggest activities. Let's unpack it together and learn how to use similar phrases in your daily conversations. Stay with us to become more confident in your English interactions. The phrase, "Can we bake cookies?" is structured as a question. It starts with the modal verb, can, followed by the subject, we, the verb, bake, and finally, the object of the action, cookies. This structure is common in English when asking for permission or expressing a desire to do something. It's polite, suggesting that the speaker is interested in the listener's opinion or permission. Modal verbs like can are crucial in English. They add nuance to the verb that follows, in this case, bake. When we use can, we're talking about ability, permission, or possibility. So, can we bake cookies? Can imply a few things. Do we have the ability to bake cookies? Are we allowed to bake cookies? Or, is it possible for us to bake cookies? Context usually clarifies the speaker's intention. The meaning of, "Can we bake cookies?" can change dramatically depending on tone and context. If said with excitement, it might be a suggestion for a fun activity. If asked hesitantly, it might seek permission. The context, such as being in a kitchen with all the ingredients on the counter, can also hint at the speaker's intent. Always pay attention to these cues to understand and respond appropriately. Knowing how to respond is just as important as asking. If you're granting permission, saying, "Yes, we can," is straightforward. To decline, a polite, "I'm sorry, we can't right now," with a reason, is considerate. If you're enthusiastic about the suggestion, responses like, "That sounds like a great idea," show your excitement and agreement. Can we bake cookies? Is a simple question that opens the door to understanding how English speakers navigate requests and permissions. By breaking down its structure, learning about modal verbs, and considering tone and context, you're better equipped to engage in similar exchanges. We hope this video has enriched your understanding and use of English. Happy learning! And let's bake some cookies together, metaphorically, or why not, literally.